So it's an older lady, and because of the disparity in height of the window, I could barely hear. I think, due to her, increasing age, maybe she could barely hear. So we just both just saying hi. What's going on with your big dog? That old man always speaks to me. You ain't nothing but a hound dog. Alright, we're ready to go. I got goddamn miles. Shit. Bruh, it smell like fucking Chinese food in here. Damn. That front end is towed up. What the hell they hit? Did they hit somebody else? Towed up. God damn. I hope they okay. This one better be empty, bro. Check before I hook up to this motherfucker. About to do the same thing I did last week. It better be empty, bro. This shit still ain't fucking empty. This is creepy as fuck. Bro, what time is it? These the only two trailers. I think a bug smacked me, G. My legs feel weird. Why send me back out here if they still ain't unloaded this shit, bro? That's dumb. What the fuck, bro? Did a bug get on me? Bro, I'm about to start stripping. I can't right now. Oh my god. Fucking bug, I think, smacked me and it was like, ha. Shit, now I'm like irritated. Bro, I'm not just bobtail there. They truck. I'm like an hour from the crib. I ain't even gonna trip on it. But why send me back out here if they still ain't unloaded this fucking trailer? Like, why? I'm tired, y'all. I really ain't recovered from goddamn Sunday night into Monday. I'm really like tired. So I'm at this other Walmart. I'm gonna see if they let me pick up this trailer. I don't have it empty. I don't know how they gonna run it over here. Oh, this open. woman. Yes, I do. Never seen her before. Pick up a trailer. Pick up a trailer.
You didn't bring in an empty?
Nah. He told me they'd bring one later. What?
This is what I've got.
Yeah, that's a big ass bug. You said what now?
129.
Yeah, 1623.
Yeah. Okay, I got it.
Usually it's over there. Usually it's over here.
Gravel?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead and get it, bring it out, we'll do the paperwork.
What's the trailer number?
The trailer number, it's got 49659.
Can I see it real quick? Can I see it real quick? That's the seal.
It's here.
Where's the trailer number at?
You said pickup number was 129-1623.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, let me see this one.
That's the TCR that we fill out later.
Alright, cool. Let me hold on to this so I can remember the number. And I'm gonna go find it. You need anything else? Okay. So so it's an older lady, and because of the disparity in height of the window, I could barely hear. I think, due to her, increasing age, maybe she could barely hear. So we just both just saying, huh? What? Huh? I'm like, I can't hear you, lady. She just kept saying, huh? Like, you can't hear me, I can't hear you. We just out here. Okay? We just out here. You understand me? Please don't tell me it's like all the way the fuck down there, 49659. Damn, these trailers close as hell. Shit. Now usually at this Walmart it goes back pretty quick, but the old dudes that's usually here is not here. Like this lady, it's my first time seeing her ever. She said I need to sign some shit. She helping old boy. Big dog. Big dog right here. What the hell? I got on my pants. Oh fuck, I'm tired, bro. Look in my eyes, I'm ready to go to sleep. He's taking all day. left now.
You're taking out the JBDD.
The what? I don't know what any of that means.
You're taking out an empty.
Nah, this loaded.
Yeah.
You came all the way outside to say, let me go get the paperwork so we can do the paperwork instead of already having the paperwork when you came out here. Some shit you just can't make up. Like, it don't make no sense, bro. Like, why wouldn't you grab it? I thought that's what you were grabbing before you came out here. So you wouldn't have to go back in here to come back out here. Exactly, it worked.
And you get the like this. That's yours.
Okay. Okay. I appreciate you.
Thank you.
I'm a little impatient. Just a little bit. Make it make sense. Why I walk outside to go back inside to come back outside? Maybe she wanted her steps in or something. You know what I'm saying? I ain't tripping too hard. You know what I mean? But I'm stumbling a little bit. Like, what? Make it make sense. Just make it make sense. Let me get to this little hour 12 back to the crib. I think it's only when I'm tired I can put this thing right where it needs to be. Any other time I might have to do a pull-up or two. When I'm tired, baby, it's going right where it needs to be. One time. One and done. Alright. Y'all already know what time it is. I'm clocked out for the night until tomorrow, tonight. You know what the hell I be meaning. I appreciate y'all watching. I am Mo Hill. Peace.